Hello and welcome to the best tools for cleaning out carburetors. I should say the tools that I use to clean out a carburetor. I do have to add a disclaimer. You are not supposed to use wires, small files, or anything else to clean out the small orifices of a carburetor. With that said, this is what I use. Is a needle for blowing up balls. Now this one has the same problem that this guy has. Air will come out here, but it also comes out here and here. I don't want that because now I'm going to be spraying gasoline or something out the sides. Well, if you take a look here, you have the same problem. How do I fix that problem? By taking a small piece of heat shrink putting it over top. Now you say, well, Ray, why don't we just use tape? The problem with tape is, see how this guy's nice and clear? This is stuck all the way around and it can't unfold, and it's very difficult to come off after you've heat shrunk it on. This guy here, as soon as gasoline touches it, it'll just fall off. Then you'll have this stuck in your carburetor and it absolutely won't work. Now to clean out the very tiny areas, I like to use these guys here. Only the very, very small ones. These are cylindrical files or rat tail files in a package that are used to clean out torch tips. I'm sure everybody has these laying around their house. Okay, so now what I like to do is I put it on a gun that is really easy control. And this guy here will just lock in. Put that into the hole of the carburetor and it blows out only through this direction. And with this here, I can control the amount of air pressure that I'm putting on. I don't know if there was a clog in that or not, but it's blowing like you wouldn't believe now. That last hole really proved how valuable this setup is. I hope that you've got some information or learned a couple of new tricks from this. If you have, please like and subscribe. If you haven't, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you.